For our class today, Zion, everyone else, just recording this video again. I really want to worship you, my Lord, just to help us learn more of the power chords that we spoke about. This song is good. It's going to help us build our vocabulary, our competencies around using the power chords. So this is how we're going to approach it. We're going to start in a more simple way. I really want to worship you, my Lord, in the key of C, and then we will build on it bit by bit, and then we would see how it goes. So that's how I'm going to start it. Just to help. Okay, let's walk up there. I'll go through that in a bit. So I know I've used several different voices and chords, but I'll try to go over them as slow as possible. So the song really is just a walk down kind of movement. It's almost like Jesus Lamb of God type of progression, but it all starts from the 1 then to the 7, 5, 1 and 7. That I like to do my 7 this way. You could do that, or if you're doing proper 7, you could do this chord. Then you do your 3 with this way to the 6. But let's take it easy. Then 6, okay. Then 5. Then 3. But you can do this. Just 5, 1, 4. Okay. You can see it there. Okay, 5, 1. Just moving this the 4 to the 3 like that. 6 over the 4, you can do 4. It's fine. Okay. Then 1 over 3, depending on where you are, it could have been 5 over 3, but 1 over 3. Then 2, I'm doing the 4 over the 2. So the workup was da, okay, 2, 3, 4, so 4. Okay. All right. Or I mean, there are more complex way of doing it. This is a very more like the matured way, but we'll get there. We'll get there. Okay. Then the song repeats again. The song repeats itself now. It said there are a lot of ways to play. Okay, 5 again to the 6. Okay, so 1 over 5 or okay, for I think this chord is 4. That's a 4 major 7th. Okay, over the 5. All right. So the 4 major 7 and 5, or it can be G sus 13, I think. All right. Okay, back to the 1. To the 4, so okay, it's a chromatic, so that's half step for each step. So this one, the G, and then I move to this, and then back to the 4. Okay, so this chord here, that's the G major 7th, okay, over this 7th chord, back to the 1. Alright, so it's very easy. When you're practicing, just don't learn everything at the same time. Just take your time and learn, because I've loaded this with quite a lot of things. Just to give you ideas. Really, it's just meant to give you ideas. There's no one way of playing a song. Okay, there's no one way. There's 1,001 ways. There's so many ways of doing it, but just to give you ideas of how to go about it. When a song keeps repeating, there are a lot of ways to do it. This is just a piece of the things you can do. This is basic. I know I've added. We are more moving up, trying to learn more advanced, if you like, intermediate to advanced, because I know I've taught that kind of work up movement. But practice, every step by step. If practice the first part. If there are new things that I've learned, pause, rewind, and get it, and then you move on to something else in there that I did. That should help you a lot. And try to do the grace note, if you like. Grace note on your right hand. You could do this to the 2 as well. Should I play this chord here? Got it? Just to help with your melody kind of thing. That's another 5. Moving to the 4, you could do. Yeah, that's a bit of too much. I think I'll just leave that for later. Okay. Let me know what you think. I'm gonna play through once again. I know the time is running fast, but I'm gonna play through once again just to help with your understanding. You let aside your majesty, gave up everything for me.